Starting a cleaning business in Texas can be a lucrative venture with minimal upfront costs. This video will guide you through the essential steps to launch and grow your own cleaning service in the Lone Star State. To begin, create a comprehensive business plan. This document should outline your company overview, services offered, target market, marketing strategies, and financial projections. A well-crafted business plan serves as a roadmap for your success and helps you focus on your niche within the cleaning industry. Understanding the Texas market is crucial. The state's diverse landscape, from bustling cities like Houston and Dallas to smaller rural communities, presents varied cleaning needs. Research your local area to identify demand for residential, commercial, or specialized cleaning services. Consider factors like seasonality and local competition to position your business effectively. Choosing a unique and descriptive name for your cleaning business is important for brand identity and legal compliance. Verify the availability of your chosen name through the Texas Secretary of State. Then file for a Doing Business As (DBA) if operating under a name other than your own. When establishing your rates, factor in all expenses, including supplies, transportation, insurance, and overhead costs. Research competitors' pricing to ensure your rates are competitive while still profitable. Consider offering specialized services like deep cleaning or carpet shampooing to differentiate your business and potentially command higher rates. Obtaining the necessary licenses and permits is crucial for legal operation. Register your business online through the official Texas State website and check with your local municipality for specific requirements. Ensure compliance with zoning laws, especially if operating from a home office. Proper financial management is essential. Open a separate business bank account to keep personal and business finances distinct. Consider using accounting software or consulting a professional to manage your financial records accurately. Invest in high-quality, commercial-grade cleaning supplies and equipment. This includes items like vacuum cleaners, mops, cleaning products, and safety gear. Consider offering eco-friendly cleaning options to appeal to environmentally conscious clients. Insurance is vital for protecting your business. Obtain general liability insurance at a minimum, and consider additional coverage like workers' compensation if you plan to hire employees. Bonding insurance can provide extra peace of mind for your clients. Understand your tax obligations as a Texas business owner. While standard residential cleaning services typically don't require sales tax collection, certain commercial services might. Consult with a certified public accountant to ensure proper tax compliance and to maximize deductions. Finally, network within the industry by joining organizations like the Association of Residential Cleaning Services International. These connections can provide valuable resources, discounts, and growth opportunities for your business. By following these steps and continuously adapting to market demands, you can build a successful cleaning business in Texas. Remember, thorough planning, quality service, and professional management are key to standing out in this competitive industry.